Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the class PNP.SYS blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, class PNP.SYS is a system file associated with the Windows operating system. It is responsible for managing plug-and-play devices such as USB drivers, printers, and keyboards. And the common cause of this error are corrupted or outdated drivers, hardware conflicts, malware or virus infections, and these errors. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter at i-paste natin tong command keyword na dsym space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health, and then copy lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So i-click mo lang yan and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then i-press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart, okay? I-click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix class PNP.SYS blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.